Here are 10 healthy breakfast menus to energize your morning, fuel your body, and support overall wellness. A healthy breakfast sets the tone for better focus, mood, and energy throughout the day. Mixing these menus weekly keeps breakfast exciting and nutritious. 1. Greek yogurt parfait. Ingredients: Greek yogurt, mixed berries, chia seeds, and granola. Benefits: high in protein and probiotics for gut health and muscle repair. 2. Avocado toast with egg. Ingredients: whole grain bread, mashed avocado, poached egg, and spinach. Benefits: healthy fats, fiber, and protein to keep you full and support heart health. 3. Oatmeal with fruit and nuts. Ingredients: rolled oats, almond milk, banana slices, walnuts, and cinnamon. Benefits: rich in fiber and slow-digesting carbs. Supports digestion and sustained energy. 4. Smoothie bowl. Ingredients: frozen banana, spinach, protein powder, almond milk, topped with coconut flakes and berries. Benefits: packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A refreshing start to the day. 5. Vegetable omelet with whole wheat toast. Ingredients: eggs, bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, and whole wheat toast. Benefits: high in protein and fiber. Supports satiety and brain function. 6. Chia pudding. Ingredients: chia seeds soaked overnight in almond, milk with honey and topped with kiwi and blueberries. Benefits: omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber for gut and heart health. 7. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Ingredients: cooked quinoa, almond butter, chopped apples, cinnamon, and flax seeds. Benefits: plant-based protein, omega-3s, and a satisfying crunch. 8. Whole grain pancakes with berries. Ingredients: whole wheat pancake batter, topped with strawberries and a touch of maple syrup. Benefits: whole grains for energy, berries for antioxidants. 9. Tofu and veggie scramble. Ingredients: crumbled tofu, kale, zucchini, turmeric, and bell peppers. Benefits: a high-protein vegan option with anti-inflammatory benefits. 10. Cottage cheese bowl. Ingredients: low-fat cottage cheese, sliced peaches, sunflower seeds, and cinnamon. Benefits: high in casein, protein, and calcium. Ideal for muscle repair and bone health. Tips for a healthier breakfast: choose whole grains over refined ones. Include a protein source to reduce mid-morning hunger. Add fruits or vegetables for fiber and antioxidants. Stay hydrated. Drink water or green tea. A healthy breakfast sets the tone for better focus, mood, and energy throughout the day. Mixing these menus weekly keeps breakfast exciting and nutritious. Rotating these healthy breakfasts throughout the week adds variety and nourishment. With the right balance of fiber, protein, and good fats, your breakfast can enhance your energy, focus, mood, and long-term health. Quick tips for a healthier morning: drink water or green tea first thing. Add fruit or vegetables to your breakfast daily. Choose whole grains and natural sweeteners. Prep ahead when possible for easier mornings.